Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 5 English lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Let's Learn Pranayam. So what do you know about Pranayam? Pranayam, Yogasan, have you heard these words? And when do we celebrate Yoga Day? 21st June, yes. So this lesson is about Yogasans, Pranayam, and we can know how can we keep our body fit and active. So let's begin the chapter. Okay, can you name these asanas? First one is Chakrasana, second is Sarvangasana, third is Halasana, and fourth is Urdhva Mukh Svanasana. Now see this picture, it is a picture of a park and see what people are doing in this park and then we will read about it. Okay, watch it carefully. Okay, let's start reading. Let's learn Pranayam. Shivam and Nitin were students of class 5. One day they got up early. It was a pleasant morning. Pleasant means enjoyable morning. They went to a park for a morning walk. Where did they go? They go in a park for morning walk. They saw many people in the park. As you have seen in that picture, there were so many people in the park and there were some children also. Some of them were running on the track around the park. What is track? Have you seen track in any park? Remember the image of the park? Yes, track is a circular path for runners. Now you understand it? So some of them were running on the track around the park. Children were playing. In the middle of the park, some people were sitting and making different poses. As you have seen in the picture, some people were sitting and making different poses. What is pose? Pose means the position in which someone stands or sits. Shivam wondered what they were doing. Wondered means asking question from yourself. So Shivam thought what they were doing. Out of curiosity, both the friends went near them. Curiosity. Curiosity means desire of know about something. So out of curiosity, both the friends went near them. There was a yoga teacher who was giving instructions. Who was there? There was a yoga teacher who was giving instructions to the people. He said, "My dear friends, let's learn pranayam in today's yoga class." What does he say? He said, "My dear friends, let's learn pranayam in today's yoga class." So he was taking yoga classes. What is pranayam? Somebody asked. Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. What is pranayam? Pranayam is control and extension of the breath. Extension means the act of adding to something. By practicing it, we can reduce our breathing rate. By doing practice of pranayam, we can reduce our breathing rate. Reduce means to make something less or smaller in size or quantity. Reduced breathing rate has a lot of benefits. So by reducing our breathing rate, we can get so many benefits. What are they? It slows down heart rate, reduces blood pressure. As you can see, there is so much problem of blood pressure, heart rate. So reduced breathing rate can slow down heart rate, reduces blood pressure and relaxes body and mind. Pranayam increases our life expectancy. Expectancy means hope. So, pranayam can also increase our life. Pranayam should be done on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Preferably means in a way that is more attractive or more suitable. So, pranayam should be done on an empty stomach, not just after the lunch or breakfast. You can also do it in the evening, but there should be a gap of 4 hours after the last meal. Okay, got it? There should be a gap of 4 hours after the last meal. Shivam and Nitin got interested and joined the group after seeking permission from the yoga teacher. Seeking, seek is the proper word, and meaning of seek is to ask for advice, help or approval. So, Nitin and Shivam got interested to listen about pranayam and they joined the group after taking permission of yoga teacher. Now, the teacher started listing the steps of pranayam. Now, yoga teachers start to instruct about pranayam. So, step 1, sit calmly on a mat and close your eyes. So, first step is to sit calmly on a mat and close your eyes. As you can see on the picture also, calmly means in a way that shows you are not excited, nervous or upset, means shant bhav se. Step 2, put left ankle on the right thigh. What you have to do? Put left ankle on the right thigh. Step 3, now put right ankle on the left thigh. This posture is called Padmasana. This posture is Padmasana. In the beginning, you may find it slightly difficult to sit in this pose. Slightly means a little. In starting, you may find it difficult to sit in this pose, but after practicing it, you can do it easily. Don't worry, with a little practice, you will learn it. Now, step 4, press your right nostril with your right hand thumb and breathe in slowly from the left nostril. Do this till your lungs are full. This process of breathing in is called Purak. So, what will you do? Press your right nostril with your right hand thumb and breathe in slowly from the left nostril. Do this till your lungs are full, and this process is called Purak. Now, step 5, hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds or as long as you comfortably can. Comfortably here means in a comfortable way or easily. So, what will you do? Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds or as long as you can do it easily. The process of holding breath, is called Kumbhak. Got it? The process of holding breath is called Kumbhak. Now, step 6. Now, release the thumb and close the left nostril with your ring finger. Then breathe out slowly through your right nostril. See in the picture, release the thumb and close the left nostril with your ring finger, then breathe out slowly through your right nostril. This process of breathing out is called Rechak. So, what is Rechak? Process of breathing out is called Rechak. Now, next step. Now, breathe in from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right nostril. Now, hold your breath again. Next step. Now, press the right nostril with thumb and breathe out from left nostril. Again that process. You may start with 5 rounds and increase it up to 15 to 20 rounds. Shivam and Nitin were happy to have learned pranayam. They thanked the yoga teacher and decided to come to the park and attend the yoga class daily. So, Shivam and Nitin learned about pranayam. Hope you all also learned about pranayam and its benefits. What does it do? It reduces our breath rate and we can control our blood pressure also. So, that was your chapter. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.